Good morning everyone. Today is our video for the third video tutorial about MySQL. We've discussed about how to create a database, how to create tables, how to create views, as well as stored procedures and the different kinds. This time, this would be another extension, which will be stored functions. Okay, so for our workbench, right, we are going to do our queries in a workbench because I think that you guys might have trouble understanding my second video using just command prompt doing the queries, stuff like that. I might know you guys it might be a little hard to read given the fact that my recording software shoot transactions where ID or student ID equal to student ID. So return if null, total, 0, and 100. Then we put select concatenate f name, the student's first name, then single quotes, comma, L name or last name, should into full name from students, the table students, where student ID equal to student ID. Is that good? Don't forget the semicolon. Oh yeah, return. Need to return something. Return full name and delimiter. Okay, we execute this. Yes. Next would be professor's name. Delimiter. Bam. Delimiter. Bam. Create function. Begin. End. Bam. Okay, we name this get professor by course. This will be long name. Get professor by course. Parameter would be the course ID. Int. It returns a varchar of 100. Begin. No. Forgot deterministic. Okay, begin. We can begin. We declare first the prof name. Varchar 100. Semicolon. Always end. Semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. Select P name. Again, the P dot is the alias. So it doesn't really hurts our eyes. prof name from professor's P. Oh my gulay. Name. Okay, again, select PF name into prof name from professors. But partition from professors P. No, 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 my friend. There. Join courses C on p dot prof id equal to c dot professor id, where c dot course id is equal to course id return prof name and delimiter. Okay, I hope there's no error. Yes, thanks God. Thanks God there's no error. So since this is for views, we're going to create a view. Create view. Let's name this course details. All small, lowercase. As select C course name get professors by course. Remember what we typed earlier? Yes, we're actually using it inside this view, or no, filter professor name from course C. Actually, yeah, there's no indentions whatsoever. Yeah, run it. Oh, error table. Oh, wow, okay. It's actually courses. I've already selected the database. So this is probably the error. Let's run this again. Let's continue with this. Let's try copying this query. Let's try opening this. From here on out, let's just execute this. Let's try this again. Get professor by course. Get student name. Get total transaction. Oh, okay. My bad. It wasn't this. It wasn't that. But this is the letter S. It was the letter S. Actually, this exists. Dang. Okay, now it's created. It created. Just one misspell and the whole thing doesn't work. Well, anyway, let's go forward. Let's create the last two stored functions. Yeah. Bam. Delimiter. Bam. Create function. Bam. Begin. Begin and create function. Get highest grade. So yeah, you know what we're gonna get from here. Student ID int shall return decimal. So returns decimal to one deterministic. Okay, proceed. First we declare highest decimal to 1, then we select max grade into highest from grades where student ID is equal to student ID. Semicolon, don't forget the semicolon, and return if null highest 0. I guess what's the error this time here? There's an error here. Oh, yeah. Semicolon. Sorry. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Let's run it. Yes. Success. Thank you, God. Then a stored procedure, right? It uses a stored procedure. Almost forgot. Delimiter. Delimiter. Okay. Create procedure. So we've been creating functions, right? This time we're going to create procedures. In end, right? Say create procedure. Show highest grade. Parameters. Almost forget the parameters. Student ID int. Okay. From here on out, select get. No. Highest grade student ID as highest grade. Yeah. As you can see, a procedure. Let's run this. Yes. And for the last one, create function get attendance, right? I gotta create attendance status. Parameter here is student ID, of course. Student ID int. Course ID int. Returns, right? Yeah, returns varchar 100. It's deterministic. Begin Bane. And let me just fix it very quick. Begin. Okay, inside of that would be status var 100. Select current status, lower status into status from attendance where student ID equal to student ID and course ID equal to course ID. Dang, mali. Okay, order by, there's another error, I'll deal with you later. Date log in descending order, limited by 1. Limit is a keyword, so caps semicolon, it should return. If null, the status would be no record. Okay, and delimiter. Okay, where are we having some difficulties here? Okay, semicolon, again, problem. Semicolon is the problem. Status. Maybe yes, this is the reserved keyword. Probably that's why. Current status into status from attendance. Okay, probably this attendance is a reserved keyword. So let's just change to attendance status. Right? Attendance status. Yeah, we're gonna change this as well, attendance status. There is still a showing error. Why is it? Oh, the varchar here should match. Should match varchar 100. Attendance status. Let's try even though there is an error. Okay, shows have an error. Oh yeah, the limiter. I'm missing the delimiter. I am missing the limiter. Okay, this should work fine. Yes, thank you. And procedure again. Never forgetty. Never forgetty. Create procedure. Begin and okay. Create procedure named check attendance. Parameter student ID int course ID int begin select get attendance status. Yeah. Correct. Student ID, course ID as attendance status. And oh, there's my delimiter. Wow. Okay. We run this. Okay, we're good. We're good. So again, thank you for watching. That wraps up our third video about stored procedures. As you can see, we have created stored procedures and stored functions. As you can see, we implemented some with a view. All in all, we created 5 stored functions. Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, even for a moment of watching this video. Thank you.